Sailor Lyndon Joel Cosgriff Flax died last year. Now another sailor has pleaded guilty to his death. I'm Camila Williams, and the Navy tells us Master at Arms Second Class Jackson Bauer pleaded guilty in a Navy courtroom. And I actually spoke to Stephanie Cosgriff, Lyndon Cosgriff Flax's mom, and she says everyone in the courtroom was respectful.
He was a very, very kind, loving person.
That's Stephanie Cosgriff describing her son Lyndon Cosgriff Flax to News 3 over the phone last year. She says her son's faith was very important to him and he had a heart full of love.
His hugs were just, I've never had, I don't know that there's anybody else in the world that could hug me like he could.
Cosgriff Flax was stationed at Naval Weapons Station Yorktown. As we reported, fell over on a harbor safety boat on the York River in April 2024. The Navy accused Jackson Bauer of operating the boat in a negligent manner that led to Cosgriff Flax's death. Monday, the Navy said Bauer pleaded guilty to dereliction of duty that resulted in the death of Master at Arms Petty Officer 3rd Class Lyndon Cosgriff Flax. Cosgriff Flax's mom told me over the phone that she felt the hearing was respectful and everyone tried to honor each other. Back in November 2024, she talked about receiving the report detailing the moments leading up to her son's death.
It was a little bit reassuring, actually, because it gave me a little more clarity.
The Navy says Bauer was charged with negligent homicide and making a false official statement. We have reached out to the Navy about those charges and have not heard back. Right now, Bauer is sentenced to 70 days of confinement in the Navy's Chesapeake brig. Camila Williams, WTKR News 3.